down to the magic, only at IFA. Welcome to the biggest show ever.
आईफा ग्रीन कार्पेट पे हमारे सेलिब्रिटीज आना शुरू हो गए हैं। मुझे तो उनकी सिजलिंग लुक्स देखनी है। आई थिंक चलते हैं। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड।
लेट्स गो।
Joining me on the IFA Rocks and Awards green carpet right now is the man of the hour. Hi Salman.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
यास आइलैंड अबू धाबी के साथ आपका बहुत ही लंबा एसोसिएशन रहा है
जी।
अब तक का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
बहुत ही अच्छा रहा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस और ये इंशाल्लाह आगे तक चलेगा। बहुत आगे तक चलेगा।
We've seen you perform on the IFA stage so many times. You are going to be performing yet again this year. आप हमें बता दें what can we expect from Salman Khan here at Yas Island, Abu Dhabi?
थोड़ा सा बिग बॉस टाइप का होस्टिंग you can expect.
Okay, and I hear that you have 2 cheeky co-hosts with you as well.
जी हाँ, and they're amazing.
Really?
They're very special. Ritesh Deshmukh is like a younger brother to me, and Manish Paul, very good.
He's very good.
Yeah.
Well, आपकी मूवीज ने, आपके परफॉर्मेंसेस ने बहुत सारे लोगों को इंस्पायर किया है. We could hear the claps and the whistles and the sounds for you every time you walk by. लेकिन ऐसी कोई फिल्म है या फिर ऐसा कोई गाना है पिछले साल में जिसने आपको इंस्पायर किया है? Is there anything that inspired the Salman Khan?
Antawawa.
Hi, how are you? Welcome to IFA.
Thank you.
I'm such a huge fan of you both. I can't believe I'm getting to do this, that too together. It's a moment for me. And ma'am, when we see you at Cannes, it's such a representation. हमारे लिए annual fest होता है कि आप जाएंगी वहाँ पे हमको looks देंगे and we're all like just looking at it. It's amazing.
Thank you for your love.
Thank you so much. You are performing tonight.
Yes, I am.
कुछ special all the best मिलता है performance से पहले?
Always. She's my ultimate and best support.
Yeah?
I've always said without her encouragement it becomes very difficult. Yeah.
What kind of words would you probably tell him
Have
before?
fun. Be yourself.
Yeah.
Have fun. But
Yeah.
that's something that I don't have to give advice on. That just
She sets a very high standard for the rest of the family. So
Please.
No, we remember your IFA performance, the Kajrare performance,
जी.
which was iconic.
Yeah,
हमें
we
ऐसा
had a lot
moment,
of fun. So see, the key word is we had fun, and that he always does.
ऐसा moment हमें दोबारा मिलेगा कभी? Maybe today, I don't know, soon.
पता नहीं शायद you never know, maybe impromptu Kajrare gig we can do.
Oh my God, मुझे
You never know.
मुझे अंदर का पास लेना पड़ेगा. ग्रीन कार्पेट लुक्स के लिए आप एक दूसरे से सजेशंस लेते हैं?
नहीं, मैं बस इनका सजेशन लेता हूँ बस. I can't give. I'm not qualified to give suggestions.
कुछ भी बोले जा रहा है. No such thing.
Thank you so much for your time. Have a great time tonight. And I cannot believe I get to talk to you both together. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh my God.
How are you?
You're such a ball of energy always. I'm seeing her up close for the first time and she's absolutely stunning.
Oh my God, so are you.
You're just absolutely stunning. Teach us a dance step, please. You have to and you
Pani?
must. Yeah, for sure. Like anything. I'm going to do it with you.
So it goes.
Only she can do it the way she does, And we're going to see you perform.
So I'm actually walking the ramp and the showstopper today for Falcone Shane, and she's one of my favorite designers. So I'm really excited for that.
We look forward to you and we love you and just have the best time.
Thank you so much for sure.
Stay inside. Oh, she smells amazing.
No prizes for guessing who's right next to me right now.
One and only. Yo Hani singer.
That's right. In case you didn't guess that already. I love what you're wearing. इसके पीछे आपकी स्टाइलिंग के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए. Starting off.
स्टाइलिंग पहले तो मैं खुद ही अपनी करता था, लेकिन अभी मेरे 2 छोटे भाई हैं, ऋषभ एंड बियर्डो फ्रॉम दिल्ली. सो वही मुझे स्टाइल करते हैं हर जगह, और ये छिपकली भी उन्होंने मुझे दी है.
यहाँ पे आपके बहुत सारे फैंस हैं, आपने बहुत सारे लोगों को इंस्पायर किया है, लेकिन इस पिछले साल में Has there been any song or movie that has really inspired you?
मेरे अपने गाने मुझे इंस्पायर करे जा रहे हैं जो मैं घर पे बैठ के बनाए जा रहा हूँ और इस साल 10 गाने निकालने वाला हूँ.
Okay then guys, ये आपने सुना है आईफा के ग्रीन कार्पेट पे यो हनी सिंह के छिपकली के साथ.
Are you, sir, today? Very good, very good. Sir, you're aging like fine wine. You're probably aging backwards. How are you doing this?
Well, thank you for saying I'm aging.
But backwards is the word.
It doesn't matter to me. It's just that I'm happy, and the love I'm getting from people, from my work, I just thank God and thank my fans for all that.
You're looking absolutely stunning, looking dapper. Is there any particular performance जिसके लिए आप wait कर रहे हो या
I think
looking forward?
IFA hasn't happened for 2 years now, so I'm just happy for the whole event to happen.
Right.
And I think everybody performing today is a great talent, so it's going to be a great show.
Awesome. Thank you so much, sir. It was so much fun speaking to you, and I hope you enjoy the evening.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
hope you enjoy it too.
I'm trying. Thank you.
Urvashi ji, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
And how's it feeling that IFA is back after 2 years?
I'm really very excited. I think we all are very excited because after 2 years, IFA is back. It's a great celebration night for Indian cinema globally. The public and the audiences are also going to enjoy equally how we all are celebrating.
Finally, हमारे पास आप पहुंचे हैं, the dashing, the stunning Mr. Fardeem Khan. How are you doing, sir?
Good, man. You make me blush.
IFA is back after 2 years.
Yes.
And you are also making your comeback to IFA after so many years. How's it feeling?
Been a part of this beautiful event for many, many years, right from the start, I think. So we all have some great memories, and it's always special being back.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Have a great evening.
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you. The beautiful, the stunning, the super gorgeous Divya. How are you, ma'am? How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very well. What are you expecting out of IFA Rocks today?
So I'm really looking forward to all the performances, and in fact, this is a little bit of performance of me also on
wow.
Designer with Yo-Yo and Yo-Yo Honey Singh and Guru. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
great
you.
evening ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
जो मनाली ट्रांस में जो ट्यून है जो लोग सोचते हैं कि वो एक्चुअली म्यूजिक है but that's actually your voice.
Yes.
Can we just get that?
Sure, why not? That's it.
I heard this live. Okay. We have this small game.
Oh.
Okay, मैं इंग्लिश में लिरिक्स बताऊंगा आपको ना सिर्फ उसको बताना है वो कौन सा गाना है. Okay. Come go. Evening is about to come. There you already get.
आजा शाम होने आई.
मैं यहाँ पे और 4 लाइन्स है but
वही है.
वही है. Climate is stress and twist there.
Thank you.
I can take 100 kinds of diseases. What is the disease of love?
100 तरह के रोग ले लूं, इश्क का रोग क्या है?
Every minute, every moment, I keep telling myself, I have forgotten you.
हर पल पल.
There's always a thought of you, even when I'm not thinking. Why do we have to separate? This question arises.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
This is really tough.
It
This
is.
sounds very tough.
Yeah. You, star. Don't break my heart.
Huh?
Yeah.
तू
Stara.
Star.
Sitara. Mera dil na tod bichara. I've never heard.
Okay. One more.
Give some simple
Simple.
one.
Okay. Strength in life.
Ja. Bye. I don't know.
Here comes oily Jasmine, secretly and alone after taking a shot.
Yeah, I'm really bad at this. Okay, tell me what it is.
I've not written the answers. It's Chikni Chameli. You're the paua chada ke aaye, it's that.
Chikni?
Yeah.
Chikni. Correct. Whom is like sticky, nahi?
I am just doing what they've given me. All right. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.